So, hi daddy, it's our 6 months already. 6 months na tayo. And I have a message for you. My message is, take care of yourself. Always remember that I am here always. Even though I am busy to my studies. And I will always be here taking care of you. If there's an emergency, just call me, baby. Always remember na andito lang ako. And andito lang ako, nagmamahal ako sa'yo. And I always love you, baby. All of your sacrifices for this relationship and all of that we've been through sa mga away natin this 6 months. So, madami tayong pinag-awayan. Ang dami nating napagdaanan. Kumbaga, ang dami nating nalagpasan ngayon. Even though na sobrang pasaway ako, napapatawad mo pa rin ako kahit konti. And even though na hindi mo siya nakakalimutan, I hope someday that hindi na siya dumating sa buhay natin. And all of our problems may be positive na lang. And for me, yung mga problema na nangyari sa ating dalawa, it's a learning for me also. And natutunan ko kung paano ko siya i-handle right now. And inaaral ko kung paano ko aayusin. And as for now, I want to make myself a new again. And as for now, daddy, I want you to know na alam mo dapat kung ano ang gusto mo na gawin. It's not always about me. No, it's not always about me. Always remember na kapag may gusto kang bilhin, like mga gamit mo, sa damit mo or what, please buy it. Kasi it's not for me, it's for you, okay? Kapag nakikita mo sa sarili mo na deserve mong bilhin yon, bilhin mo, daddy. Kasi naaawa ako sa'yo. And always, kumain ka palagi. Papasok ka sa trabaho mo, kailangan may pagkain ka. Pag uwi mo, kailangan kumain ka. And always bring water because nakikita ko na nag-nosebleed ka just because of the heat. Sa inyo, sobrang init. And always take care of your health kasi wala ako dyan. Yan lang. Palagi kang uminom ng water, okay? Let's fight now. Let's fight for our future. And always remember na love ikaw ni mommy. Always remember na miss na miss ikaw ni mommy kahit ikaw pasaway lagi. ML ka ng ML. Pero love ikaw ni mommy. Love you, daddy.